forward, making room for himself. He's got two men over. Lukaku left for Barkley. In towards Davis, who deserves a reward for this. And gets it! The inspiration behind the move. The local lad who's come up with the goods. His first ever goal for Everton. What a part he played in creating and finishing it.
Oh, terrific. I'm not sure if Lukaku got a touch at the end. I hope he didn't, because this is fitting for a wonderful performance. A mature, brilliant performance from a young lad. Look what it means to him. He'll remember this forever and ever. Terrific. To get hold of the ball, to have the gumption to go into the area he did, and then to deliver it. Such a telling opportunity. He turns, not a lot on. You can see nothing but City shirts chasing after him with this little bit of magic to get him through the two City players. Fantastic. He then lets the ball loose for somebody else to have a go. Gets himself up, is fed in again from Barkley. There's enough on it. Oh! I wonder what Lukaku will say. But for me, that goal is all about this young man. His performance has been excellent. Oh, tell me you didn't get a touch there, Romelu. We'll see it for certain here. Great moment for the lad. Caps a brilliant performance. He's looking at it. It's goalward bound. It's tense. Is it going in there? Oh, I'm going to say he doesn't get a touch, and I'm giving it to Davis.
All-round performance. Here's Sergio Aguero, and that's saved by Joel Robles. Holgate. And Stones hasn't got it away. It's Lookman who could be in for a debut goal here. He is! Incredible finish to an amazing game as the debutant strikes right at the death. It's an emphatic victory for Everton. Manchester City not just beaten, they've been bludgeoned here.
Oh, Ademola Lookman, he gets his first goal in an Everton shirt here at Goodison. And John Stones won't be happy at all when he sees his role in this. Oh, well, it just sums up a dreadful, dreadful day for Manchester City, but fair play to them. The Everton team kept coming. Coleman looks as if he's just there to try and see the ball out, but Stones inexplicably kicks it straight at him. And it rebounds to the youngster who didn't need a second invitation. Great finish. Oh, it's a disaster now for Manchester City. Straight through the legs of Bravo.